Alright, I got a 2015 Chevy Sonic. I'm going to show you how to reset the oil. Turn the ignition key twice. Don't start the car, just turn it to the on position. You can see it's due for oil change. So over here on your stick here, you're going to hit the menu button until you get to the oil life there. And then you're going to push and hold this button right here. Just hold it for a couple seconds. And then it'll go back to 100%. And then you can scroll back through with the menu button again. And your oil life is at 100%. You should be good to go.